Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I am Hirdesh and you are watching Learn Tech with Hirdesh. Today we are diving into Scala, a language that is quietly powering some of the biggest data platforms in the world. In the fast moving landscape of big data and modern software deployment, choosing the right programming language can be make all the difference, and Scala is one of the most compelling choice available today. So, what exactly is Scala? Scala is a modern and multi-paradigm programming language that elegantly blends object-oriented and functional programming into a single unified language. It runs on Java Virtual Machine, meaning it is a fully compatible with Java and can leverage the entire Java ecosystem. And if you are spend any time in the big data world, you will know that Scala is a language behind Apache Spark, one of the most widely used data processing framework on the planet. Key feature of Scala: what makes Scala stand out from the crowd? A few things. Scala is a concise and expressive. You can accomplish in a few lines what might take dozen in other languages without sacrificing clarity. It comes with strong type safety, catching error at a compile time rather than at runtime. Higher order function make your program more predictable, more reliable, and significantly easier to reason about. They are not just nice to have in large scale data engineering, they are essential. Basic data types and literals. Like any language, Scala is built on a foundation of core data types: int for whole numbers, float for and double for decimal, char for individual character, boolean for true for logic, and string for text. What is interesting in Scala is that these are not a primitive data type the way they are in Java. In Scala, everything is an object, including these basic data type. That constantly is one of the things that make Scala so elegant to work with. Of type inference, one of the Scala's most developer-friendly feature is type inference, the ability to automatically detect the data type of a variable without having to declare it explicitly. You get the safety benefit of strong type language without the verbosity. Your code stays clean and readable while the compiler quietly does the type checking work behind the scene. Mutable versus immutable collection. Scala gives you both mutable and immutable collection, but it strongly encourages the immutable path. Here is why it's matter. Mutable collection can be modified after they are created, flexible but risky in concurrent and complex systems. Immutable collection cannot be changed once created, making your program thread safe, predictable, and far easier to debug. Functions as first-class citizen. This is one of the most powerful concepts in all of Scala and its functional programming as a whole. In Scala, functions are the first-class citizen. That means you can design functions to variable, pass them as an argument to other functions, and return them as a value. And finally, Scala is a powerful data structure. Scala ships with a rich set of built-in data structure designed for both everyday programming and large-scale data processing. List, map, and stream. List order immutable sequence of elements perfect for processing collections of data in a functional style. Map key value store that let you organize and retrieve data with speed and clarity. Streams lazy sequence that process data on demand, making them incredibly efficient for working with large and continuous data flow. Exactly the kind of workload you encounter in big data pipeline. And that is your introduction to Scala, a language that combines the power of object-oriented design with the elegance of functional programming, all running on the rock-solid foundation of Java Virtual Machine. Whether you are building enterprise software or processing petabytes of data with Apache Spark, Scala gives you tool to do it with confidence and efficiently. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, keep learning, and I will catch you in the next one.